Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you if the CapCut template not showing, this is how you can fix it. So if you download or if you install CapCut on your mobile phone and you need to use a template, for example, but when you open CapCut, the template not showing here. So it means there is a bug or glitch on your CapCut. You need to refresh your CapCut app. You can close your CapCut now and close all the background app that running on your phone, and you can hold the CapCut icon, go to the app info, then you can go to the storage. Here you can clear cache, and you can clear data if you can consider to clear data if you feel clear cache is not enough. So it's very easy to clear data, but remember you need to relog in or your previous projects will be deleted. And after you clear cache, you can open your CapCut and see if the template's still not showing. You can update your CapCut on Play Store. You can go to the Play Store and update CapCut from the Play Store here. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.